Hello, and welcome to the channel. And welcome back to the Earl Nightingale series entitled Diamonds in the Ruff. Earl Nightingale was a popular radio broadcaster and motivational speaker who captivated his audience with his inspirational insights and wisdom. One of his most notable contributions was his audio program called The Strangest Secret, which over the decades sold millions and millions of copies worldwide. Here are some key ideals and messages that Earl Nightingale shared with his listeners, and today we share them with you. Lesson 10, entitled Attitude of Gratitude. Nightingale highlighted the importance of gratitude and cultivating a positive mindset and attracting abundance into one's life. He encouraged his audience to practice gratitude daily and appreciate the blessings they already have. The attitude of gratitude was a central theme in Earl Nightingale's teachings, reflecting his profound understanding of the transformative power of appreciation and thankfulness in shaping one's mindset and experiences. Let's do a deep dive of this subject in accordance with Earl Nightingale's perspective and according to his teachings. Number 1, shifting focus from scarcity to abundance. Nightingale recognized that gratitude serves as a potent antidote to the scarcity mindset, which is characterized by a focus on lack and limitation. By cultivating an attitude of gratitude, individuals shift their attention away from what is lacking in their lives towards the abundance of blessings and opportunities that surround them. This shift in perspective fosters a sense of contentment, fulfillment, and optimism that attracts even more abundance into a person's life. Number 2, amplifying positivity and resilience. Gratitude amplifies positivity and resilience by fostering a deep sense of appreciation for life's blessings, both the big and the small. Nightingale encouraged individuals to cultivate a habit of gratitude by acknowledging and savoring moments of joy, beauty, and connection in their daily lives. By focusing on what is going right, rather than dwelling on setbacks or challenges, people cultivate a resilient mindset that enables them to navigate adversity with grace and optimism. Number 3, cultivating mindfulness and presence. Gratitude cultivates mindfulness and presence by anchoring individuals in the present moment and fostering a deeper connection to the richness of life's experiences. Nightingale encouraged his audience to cultivate a practice of mindfulness by intentionally savoring the moment of gratitude throughout the day. By tuning into the sights, sounds, and sensations of the present moment, people deepen their appreciation for the beauty and wonder that surrounds them, fostering a sense of aliveness and vitality. Number 4, fostering positive relationships and connections. Gratitude strengthens positive relationships and connections by fostering a culture of appreciation and reciprocity. Nightingale emphasized the importance of expressing gratitude towards others for their kindness, for their support, and their contributions. By acknowledging and valuing the efforts of others, people strengthen bonds of trust with one another. They strengthen respect and goodwill, creating a ripple effect of positivity and generosity in their relationships and in their communities. Number 5, shaping perception and interpretation of events. Gratitude shapes the perception and interpretation of events by reframing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Nightingale encouraged individuals to adopt a grateful perspective by finding silver linings and lessons in adversity. By reframing setbacks as stepping stones to success and viewing obstacles as catalysts for personal development, people cultivate a mindset of resilience and empowerment that enables them to thrive in the face of adversity. Number 6, cultivating a heart of service and contribution. Gratitude inspires individuals to live with a heart of service and contribution, recognizing the interconnectedness of all beings and the importance of giving back to others. Earl Nightingale believed that gratitude compels people to share their blessings with others and make a positive impact in the world. By extending acts of kindness, generosity, and compassion, individuals embody the spirit of gratitude and contribute to the well-being and flourishing of others. Number 7, cultivating emotional resilience. Nightingale emphasized that gratitude cultivates emotional resilience by shifting focus from negativity and dissatisfaction to appreciation and contentment. He believed that even in challenging circumstances, there are always aspects of life to be grateful for. By consciously directing attention towards these blessings, individuals develop emotional strength and resilience, enabling them to navigate difficulties with greater grace and fortitude. Number 8, fostering a positive outlook. Nightingale stressed the importance of maintaining a positive outlook on life, even in the face of adversity. He taught that gratitude serves as a powerful lens through which people can perceive the world with optimism and hope. By acknowledging and celebrating the abundance of blessings in their lives, people foster a positive mindset that uplifts their spirits, enhances their well-being, and empowers them to overcome obstacles with confidence and determination. Number 9, enhancing mental well-being. Nightingale recognized the profound impact of gratitude on mental well-being. He believed that practicing gratitude regularly promotes psychological health by reducing stress, anxiety, and depression. By focusing on the present moment and appreciating life's simple pleasures, people cultivate a sense of inner peace, a sense of fulfillment, and serenity that nourishes the mind and the soul. Number 10, promoting physical health. Nightingale understood that gratitude not only benefits mental well-being, but also promotes physical health and vitality. He believed that people who embraced gratitude as a way of life experience greater resilience to illness and disease. Research has shown that gratitude practices can lower high blood pressure. It can boost immune functions, and it can enhance overall physical health, highlighting the interconnectedness between mind, body, and spirit. Number 11, deepening spiritual connection. For Nightingale, gratitude was also a pathway to deepening one's spiritual connection and experiencing a sense of interconnectedness with the universe. He believed that gratitude opens the heart and soul to the abundance of life's blessings, fostering a profound sense of reverence, awe, and gratitude towards the mysteries of existence. By recognizing the sacredness inherent in all of creation, individuals cultivate a deeper sense of purpose, a deeper sense of meaning, a true fulfillment that transcends the material realm. Number 12. Inspiring acts of generosity and kindness. Finally, Nightingale highlighted how gratitude inspires people to pay it forward through various acts of generosity and kindness. He believed that gratitude compels individuals to share their blessings with others, creating a ripple effect of positivity and goodwill in the world. By extending compassion, by extending empathy and support to those in need, individuals embody the true spirit of gratitude and contribute to the collective well-being and flourishing of humanity. In summary, Earl Nightingale's teachings on the attitude of gratitude illuminate the transformative power of appreciation and thankfulness in nurturing emotional resilience, fostering a positive outlook, enhancing mental and physical well-being, deepening spiritual connections, and inspiring acts of generosity and kindness. By embracing gratitude as a way of life, people awaken to the richness and beauty of our existence, infusing every moment with joy, true meaning, and true purpose. These were some of the key principles and ideals that Earl Nightingale shared with his listeners. His insights continue to inspire individuals seeking personal growth and success. In his lifetime, Earl Nightingale authored several influential books. These works have empowered millions upon millions of people over the generations worldwide, providing them with the tools to enhance their relationships, to boost their confidence, and to achieve maximal personal growth and financial success. If you're a fan of his lectures and seminars, or if you would like to do a deeper dive into the teachings and wisdoms of Earl Nightingale, I left a link in the description below. If you're enjoying this series and want to gain more from his valuable wisdom and insights, click on the next video in our Earl Nightingale series playlist, Diamonds in the Rough. If we brought you value today, subscribe to our channel to join our tribe of like-minded people. The lessons shared here are timeless reminders that having gratitude for the little things you possess and sharing them with others strengthen relationships, build communities, and uplift downtrodden souls. Count your blessings. Have faith. Believe in yourself. Be grateful for what you have and treat people with kindness. As we embark upon our journey on this road of life, let's remember these words of Earl Nightingale when he said, "We are at our very best, and we are happiest when we are fully engaged in work we enjoy on the journey towards the goal we've established for ourselves. It gives meaning to our time off and comfort to our sleep." Until next time, stay safe, stay motivated, and thanks for watching The Growth Mindset. Take care.